instructor in Sanjay Madhyan Jithundo Academy, India. And today I am making a video for those people who wants to learn Jeet Kune Do. So today is the topic of how you can learn Jeet Kune Do kicks. So today I will tell you how to you can learn Jeet Kune Do kicks. Okay. If you like my video, then please share and subscribe also. Thank you very much.
To understand it, imagine that your leg is like a butter hose. Stand with your feet parallel at about shoulder wide apart, and then raise one leg. Next, drive the leg to the ground as hard as possible, looking your knee. We can use the short side kick in close range fighting. If we use it fast, then we can take its advantage. To perform this kick, slide your front foot forward to closer the distance between you and your opponent depending on how far away the target is. The rear foot either slide up a little or a lot. To keep your opponent off balance and unsure of your intention, adjust the distance and rhythm of your technique. The side step kick. In the fighting stance, I begin to transfer my weight from my rear leg to my front leg. With the weight transferred, I push my front leg forward with my rear leg. Rather than a slide, the push gives me more distance. The curved right side kick. Sometimes it's better to kick from an angle. In such a scenario, use a curved side kick, which is what Bruce Lee called a single angulated attack. To perform one, take a lead step out while throwing a hand feint. Follow this up by sliding your rear foot to the right and forward. Make sure to aim 4 to 6 inches beyond the target so you achieve the proper balance, penetration, and power. The pendulum side kick. In a fighting stance, slide forward and then swing your leg straight up like a pendulum. Bring your kick leg up as fast as possible. You can quickly follow up with another attack. Back at original position, you are now at a distance where you can launch any other attack. The downward side kick work at closer range fighting. Because the target is the knee, opponent cannot intercept the attack with his foot or hand. Another closer range kick is the jacketing groin kick. To do it properly, lift your leg up with the enough of an angle to clear your opponent's knee and then snap your leg toward his groin. Because it is so simple, there is little or no preparation. To help deceive your opponent, keep your kick low and use your hand as a distraction. Throwing a feint with your lead hand distracts an opponent from seeing your kick and intention, but remember to keep your hand feint in place for the duration of move. One of the best way to practice this is by taking a lead step with your hand feint and then following it with a slide and kick. And thank you very much for watching this video.